Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I would like to dedicate to Charlotte Tilbury's product. We're going to be talking a lot about pillow talk, and we're going to be also creating this eye look. And if you're interested to see how did that go, then carry on watching. Well, I would like to apologize for the sound of my voice. I hope you will stay with me and actually watch this video with this horrible sounding voice. I am not very well, but life goes on and I decided that I'm gonna plow through and I'm gonna film the video and see how it goes. Anyway, so that part is done. Let's move on to the actual makeup. A little bit. I'm gonna begin with these little eyeshadows, and this is what the box looks like. Very, very cutesy, typical Charlotte Tilbury packaging, cardboard. When it comes to this pot is quite large, considering if you take in consideration Hourglass, you only get a tiny bit of product. I'm not knocking it, it's just a true statement. So this is what the pot looks like. It is glass, I believe. Maybe it is plastic, but it's kind of like frosted little pot. It contains 7 milliliters of product, or 0.24 ounces, and 6 months shelf life. Very creamy, very finely milled pigments. I have it in the shade Rose Gold. The water infused formula is a gorgeous soft pink rose gold metallic shade, creates maximum impact with minimal effort. They are implying that you could apply this one without mirror, so anybody can do it. Number one, easy glide on formula, won't drag your delicate eye area, which is a bonus. So vitamin E hydrates and provides protection, and then it says soft focus, eliminating pigments, smooth over lines and imperfection for the visibly more youthful finish. Okay, so this retails for $32 plus tax, and it is made in Italy. Next thing in line, we have our eye pencil. This is what the box looks like. It's a delicate pink. It says here Pillow Talk eyeliner, blendable and long lasting. And yeah, so this is the actual eyeliner. Naturally, I did use it. This eyeliner retails for $27. This eyeliner is creamy, matte, high pigmented, and it has a berry brown shade. And the eyelashes, they came with a glue. These eyelashes cost me probably $17, I believe, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna put it on the screen how much I paid for these eyelashes. So now that the informational part is out of the way, let's just begin applying the makeup. So these are the goodies that we're going to be testing today. I have not so new Eyes to Mesmerize pot eyeshadows, and I always wanted to have one of these, and this is brand new Pillow Talk eye pencil. And I also decided to buy myself a little cat eye corner lashes. I am not particularly good with applying my lashes. However, I'm gonna give it a shot because they looked easy for me because it's only corners. So this is what the box looks like. Back. It is still sealed, so we'll have to pop it open. This is the pencil. I am patting my eyelids to make sure that they're completely and utterly dry. I'm going to get my Bobbi Brown flat brush. I find this one perfect for what I have intention to use it for. So I'm just getting a little bit of a product, as in powder, and just press it on my eyelids. If you do hear a lawnmower, that's because my neighbors are cutting the grass of all times. Because I have such heavy hooded eyes, it is very difficult for me to achieve cat's eye easily as it used to be before. So nowadays I use these angled brushes in order to achieve a desired look, and sometimes of course I have to stretch it out to the side because of these extra folders that I have here. Despite all that, I'm still gonna go ahead and try to achieve the look that Charlotte Tilbury has in her advertisement campaign. So I'm gonna get this pencil, and this one is a Pillow Talk eyeliner. So I'm getting my pencil and I'm getting my brush, and I'm just starting to coat my brush with the pencil like so. So my trick is that I simply do pressing motions, and I'll show you what I mean. So please excuse the zit here, I don't know what happened. And I just press it. So we do one eye at the time. So you press and pull. And then you have an idea when your folders are down how good it will look on your eye, so you can kind of navigate your way before you actually make that look, and then it will be a point of no return unless you're gonna remove the whole thing and start again. So this is what I have so far, but just pressing and just literally very carefully watching to make sure that your eyeliner does not look particularly off-side. So now I'm gonna go and get more. This is what I've achieved by using this angled brush and this soft eye pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. So I'm gonna get a flat brush and I'm gonna go into this pot of gorgeousness. Ooh, it's so creamy. So far, so this is what I have, and then I'm going to start applying my eyelashes. I don't know how that is going to go, but I'm going to do my best. So this is what they look like. There's a glue provided. So this is the eyelash number 1. Let's do number 2. Okay, I think I'm in. I think. Whilst I was applying my eyelashes, I did mess up some of the eyeliner, so I decided that I am gonna go and correct it with my concealer. And I had this small brush that I normally use for spot concealing, and I applied just a little bit of a concealer at the top, and I've corrected some of the imperfections that I've created whilst I was applying my eyelashes. And as you can see, it kind of like gave a little extra light to this area. I kind of like that, so I'm just gonna smudge it even more. As a foundation today, I was using this one from Pat McGrath. This one gives me a little bit of a tan and a bit more light to my skin. So this is the final look for today, and couple of words regarding each product. Let's start with this eye pencil. I absolutely loved using this eyeliner. It is very easy to work with. It's very easy to smudge and achieve desirable look. I have hooded eyes, and as you can see, there are no printouts left on the top lid, and I enjoyed working with this eye pencil. I really did. I love the color, very rich. In fact, it reminds me a little bit of this color that I have from Victoria Beckham. And let me just draw the line next to. So this is Charlotte Tilbury, and this is Victoria Beckham eye pencil, and I have it in the shade Satin Bordeaux. Victoria Beckham is a little bit more rich, dark color, and this one is pretty much, they're similar, I believe. And on the eyes, they look pretty much identical, at least to my liking. I loved this eyeliner, absolutely loved it. Thank you. So when it comes to these eyeshadows, I absolutely loved using them. There's a little bit of product that's gone, and a little bit goes a long way. I like how finely milled they are, and there's this shimmer that you have on your eyes that will be perfectly acceptable to wear during the day. You will not look like a disco ball from 80s and looking tacky. Just gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. Love, love, love these little puppies. And of course, eyelashes. So when it comes to eyelashes, I have to say that I am loving these. Maybe because they are just corners of the eyes, they're not entire eyelash, because this one was a battle. I'm just not good at it, and it's not really my style, but you know, I thought a little bit of a, you know, change is good as a rest, so we can do a little different things on my channel. So I love these eyelashes. It wasn't as much of a trouble to put them on as I normally struggle. The eyelashes was the main concern that I had, because I am not very good at applying these, and I never normally wear them anyways. But I decided to put a little spin to my channel, and I bought those, and I think they look quite nice actually. So I'm pleased. Thank you, Charlotte Tilbury. I will definitely buy more. Anyway. I absolutely loved everything that I've used today. So on this fantastic note, I would like to end today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment down below what you think about this review. Please let me know in the comments down below which one was your favorite product from what I've just featured, and of course what you think about me wearing eyelashes, whether I should just give up and just stay as is, or keep using these on my channel. Please let me know, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.